In our previous class, we had created this my structure process wherein we have attached the web form which we created to this starting action. Also, we have added our user to the process user role using the designer environment, also called as development environment for Oracle Process Automation. In this class, we will test this process application which we had activated. Now, in order to test the application, what we have to do is we have to switch our environment to runtime environment. That is, as we had studied in the introduction class, our runtime environment is called as the workspace. In order to access the workspace, just go back to your home page where you can see list of all the applications. Once you are into the home page, click on the navigation menu and you will see this workspace option. Click on this. So it will launch the page in the new tab on your browser. It will take a couple of seconds in order to show all the applications. So once your workspace loads, it will automatically land you in the start request option in the navigation menu. If you just click on this, you will see start request. In order to initiate our leave application, you can just click on this. If you see the title, I had given leave application, so it is displayed like this. Application name will come over here, structured process name will come over here, and the title of our application will come over here. Now, in order to relate, let me just open this process application. Let me just go back to process, structured process. So here first thing is my OPA app. It is our application name. If you see over here, the version it will show here, version 1.0, which is your latest version. That only will be shown over here. Next, coming to my structured process, this is our process name. It will be shown over here. Coming to the leave application, this is the title which we had given over here in the start action, first action. It is under the titles. So this is the details you will see. Click on this. Next, it will show all the details what you had created in the web form, that is to accept the request from the user. So that we had created using the web form. Just click on the first action, select my leave form and click on edit. Here you will see the details or the fields which you have added in the web form. So this could have been made better. Here I had named to from date to date. Input text is nothing but the reason. So this we will ignore as of now. Let me switch back to this workspace. Here I will write I had fever, and from date we can select the dates, that is from 4th of October to 11th of October. Click on submit. Now in our case, we don't have any actions after this submit or the first action, that is over here. It will just end the process. So this is for just demonstration purpose I have created in order to make you comfortable before we go ahead and learn the concepts of Oracle Process Automation. This is just the introductory class. Now we have created the instance. The next question is how we can track what our request is pending for. In order to know that, we have to go back to our again workspace, click on the navigation menu. If you click on the task, here you will see all the tasks which are waiting for your action. Suppose you are a manager and someone has raised a leave request, it will come to you and it will be pending over here. These things we will concentrate in our coming classes. Now, in order to track the instances, we can go for the tracking. So once the tracking page opens up, you will see couple of processes over here. Now first, my structured process is our process which we had initiated. If you click on this, you will see all the details. Like if you go to audit, you will see what input parameter user has entered, like the fever, from date to date, so and so forth things, all the sequence of events. As I told, in our case, we are having just the start web form and the end event. So we are seeing only two activities under the audit. Suppose it is waiting for somebody's action, then the actionable activities will come over here. Suppose if there are comments you want to add or added by someone, it will be visible over here, and the documents or the attachments, if you want to add, you can add over here, or somebody has added in the sequence like during the approval and it will be coming over here. So this is how you can track the instances. In our case, it is completed. So some other task, it will be in progress. Suppose they want somebody's human intervention or the human task, then it is waiting for. So three things we have learned: how we can navigate to the workspace, how we can raise the new request using the start request, how we can see our tasks which are waiting for our action. Coming to the tracking, we can track all the instances of the process automation. So this is nothing but you can relate it to observability or monitoring in Oracle integration. It is similar like that.